Grocery and convenience store business insurance, what coverages are needed, how much does it cost, and how can you get an insurance quote? That's what I'm going to go through today. My name is Nate Jones. I'm the owner, CEO of Wexford Insurance. We're a national insurance agency that operates in 48 states, almost every state except for Hawaii and Alaska. And we probably insure over 150 convenience stores across the country. So today I'm going to tell you exactly what we see a standard convenience store needs and the anticipated cost. Obviously, cost varies by state, but let's dive into this. The first coverage you need, no matter what, is general liability. That's if your patrons slip and fall while on the property, if somebody, let's say your store, something falls off the roof and hits their car, and basically it covers property damage and bodily injury. So main thing for convenience stores is slips and falls. Let's say it's snowy outside, they slip and fall, and they want to come sue you for their legal bills. That's what that general liability covers. The next thing is property insurance. There's two sides of property insurance. If you own the building, we will do property insurance to insure the building for fire, destruction, wind, hurricane, basically wherever it's located, we will insure it for the actual physical property, similar to like a home, for home insurance. We also insure the contents. Your convenience store, your grocery store, you have a lot of inventory. You have a lot of equipment. You have a lot of property inside. And if I help you visualize this, you take the roof off, flip the building upside down, anything that falls out, that's your inventory. That's your personal property that we want to make sure that's insured so that the building burns down. The building coverage pays for the building. The personal property pays for the contents that's in the convenience store. The next thing is workers' compensation. If you have employees, even if you 1099 them, you have employees that are coming and working at your convenience store, we want to make sure that if they slip and fall, they get hurt, they get burned, somehow they get injured on the job, that we have workers' compensation to protect you for that. Okay, so let's go through the cost real quick. Those are the three main ones. Sometimes we see an umbrella. If it's attached to a gas station, we'll see pollution liability, maybe storage tank liability. But those are the main three. Okay, so let's not get too distracted here. General liability, we're looking at anywhere from, for a small store, anywhere from like $1,000 to $2,000, maybe even less than $1,000. Property insurance, it depends on the value of the building and where it's located and how high risk it is. Obviously, Texas, we have a lot of hail. California, we have a lot of potential fire risk. Midwest, you don't have that much, so property insurance kind of varies. So I would say anywhere from like $2,000 to $6,000, depending on how valuable it is and how much inventory you have and how big the convenience store or grocery store is. Obviously, if it's a big store, it's going to be more expensive. Workers' compensation is not very expensive at all. For $100,000 in payroll, we usually see under $2,000 in premium. Some states are more expensive, some states are less. In the Midwest, it could be even under $1,000. So it's very inexpensive. I would say all in for a small, conservative convenience store, you're looking under $3,000 to $4,000 for the year. Again, we do these all day long. We can flip a quote back to you in literally the same day. So that's how you can get a quote. You can look at the first comment pinned below, follow the link, or call us, or that information is also in the bio of this video. So what's Wexford Insurance? We're an independent insurance agency. We work with multiple insurance companies nationwide. So if you have a C-store in Nevada, we have markets that love to insure C-stores in Nevada. And if they raise your rate at renewal, we can move you to another insurance company. So that's the advantage of working with an independent agent. We have a real human-based insurance agent team. So we have multiple agents. We have a whole team of agents that only focus on C-stores and similar types of businesses. So we are very niche focused in this. So if you want a quote, maybe you want a second look at your current policy, you want to see if you can save money, reach out to us. We don't charge anything for quotes whatsoever. We're here to help out and make sure you're not overpaying. So as always, take care. And if you want to, subscribe and like. That helps us out. Thanks. Bye.